What is the best internet connection for a boat? The answer is usually a hybrid marine internet system. This setup combines Starlink or another satellite service offshore, LTE or 5G near shore, and marina Wi-Fi at the dock, all managed through smart routers like Peplink, Pepwave, or MDS Blender. Boat internet is very different from home internet because coverage constantly changes as the vessel moves. A connection that works perfectly at the marina may disappear completely offshore. Near shore, LTE and 5G often deliver the fastest speeds and lowest latency. But once you move beyond cellular range, satellite internet becomes the foundation of reliable onboard connectivity. Marina Wi-Fi can help while docked, but it's often congested and unreliable during busy periods. That's why serious boaters and yacht owners rely on layered systems. If one connection weakens, another automatically takes over. This creates a more stable experience for navigation, streaming, remote work, and guest internet access. The strongest marine internet solution is not a single device. It's a smart hybrid system built around how and where your boat operates.